Hey creeps, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Influenster Vox Box review. Today's review is going to be on Emerge hair products for natural hair. I just gotta show off the box. The box! It's yours, share it with the world. I actually kept all the goodies in the box so that I could open it with you guys. All the stuff is still in its packaging. The last Vox box that I got to review was for the YSL Libre perfume, and we all know how that went. That was probably my worst video ever. I hate it. I put zero effort into that video. And for some reason, y'all freaking loved it. It's at like 1.2 thousand views. And I don't understand why, because that is a trash video. I guarantee you I put zero effort in. I'm actually interested in reviewing this product because I am a curl friend. This is temporary, literally going to end within this video. We're about to revert back to our curls because I'm gonna have to wash my hair to review the items. They sent me the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate free shampoo, and they also sent me the Smooth Mover conditioner. I thought they were only going to send me 2 products, as that's all they said they were going to send me in the confirmation email, but no, they sent me 3 products. So they also sent me the Emerge My Everything Buttercream. As usual, it also comes with this little information card. Introducing Emerge, a new brand of clean hair care products designed for the natural girl who's just as innovative as her coily, curly, and wavy styles. Whether it's braids, twist outs, or a well-defined wash and go, her creativity shines through with every hairstyle she rocks. Powered by almond milk and pequi oil. Please tell me I'm pronouncing this word right. Emerge keeps your curls and coils moisturized and defined. Our moisture-rich products are formulated with no nasties. Free of sulfates, parabens, PHTHALATES. Please tell me how to pronounce that. Silicones, mineral oil, petrolatum, or dyes. With the Emerge collection, naturals are free to be themselves and embrace their carefree curls naturally. Our goal is to enable the next generation to embrace their creativity in every endeavor, including how they style their hair. First of all, I guess I'm going to open the packaging and struggle a little bit as I do so. Definitely came to the right channel if you enjoy watching people struggle. I'm just letting you know. Okay, so the first thing that I want to point out is that I like that it's a very different kind of tube. Like, it's weird, it's different. So it kind of just like pops open like that. That's new. I'm just gonna open it so I see how you smell. Good thing it doesn't smell bad. It just smells like lotion. And the conditioner also smells like lotion. And the buttercream, again, lotion. I'm gonna hop in the shower and we're gonna wash my hair, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to point out is that if you didn't notice in the beginning of this video, the ends of my hair is actually purple and it's a washout color. So the first thing I had to do was rinse out all the color. On top of that, all I really have to say is that the entire wash process in the shower was very weird because the shampoo had 0 lather, which is really weird for me. I used about 3.5 to 4 handfuls of shampoo. I usually only use about 2. I'm very heavy-handed. I'm not light-handed at all. I always use way too much product, but I used nearly twice the amount that I always use, and it still felt like there was no soap in my hair. And same thing happened with the conditioner. Yes, I know with conditioner it's supposed to be really smooth and easy to move through anyway, so really I didn't really need a loose tooth comb or my detangler brush. I really didn't need any of those. I really could have just done the whole thing detangling with my fingers. That's how easy it was. So that alone was just like, it had me really confused, like what the heck is going on? So I don't know if you can see on my facial expressions while I'm in the shower, but that's what was going on in my thought process. Hey, so I literally just hopped out of the shower. I don't know how I feel about the products just yet. I mean, it was weird. Like, I liked it, but it was weird because I used the shampoo, and I don't know if you could see it on my face, but I was immediately shocked. I like drowned my head in shampoo, and I usually only put about 1 to 2 handfuls. I used like 3 and a half, because I was just like, there's no foamage, like like it had a lot of slip, and like it just felt really slick and smooth the entire time. I have not once ever in my life been able to run my hands all the way through my hair from root to tip with shampoo in the shower. So I was very confused, and then I used the conditioner. Same effect. I mean, conditioner is supposed to be like that anyway, but like it honestly felt like I was barely using any product on my hair at all with both the shampoo and the conditioner, and I was just like confused the entire time. Did it feel good? Hell yes. But I'm still baffled. Yeah, so that is like the first time ever that I have not had any problems tangle wise, and I'm really genuinely shocked. So far things are going good. Hello. So I got distracted and I kind of let my hair just dry in a cotton t-shirt. So now my hair is for the most part dry, but still really damp. And now it's time for the pudding. All right, so I am going to spare you the unnecessary process of just watching me put this in my hair. Let me get to the real stuff. So this current voiceover that I'm doing right now is taking place a good week after I recorded this video. I had a mishap where I had literally finished editing everything, and then the file got corrupted or something and did not save anything that I had done, so I had to re-edit this entire thing. Irritating, right? So I'm a whole week late with this video. But anyway, I hated this styling pudding cream, whatever it's freaking called. I hated it. I get that the entire line is supposed to be moisturizing, but the pudding is so moisturizing that I might as well have just hopped right back in the shower. Like, my hair was like, for the most part, like 98% dry, and it felt like I had just gotten my butt out of the shower again. So it's a no. The wash products are okay. And also, a few days ago, I needed more gel, and the gel that I usually get was sold out, and I didn't feel like driving 30 minutes out of my way to the next store that would have it. So I was like, oh, there's an Emerge gel right here. So I bought the Emerge gel because I just tried out these products, and that gel is not a gel. It comes out like legit liquid. Like, it goes in your hand and it dissolves instantly as if it's freaking water. And I'm like, why? Why? You're supposed to be a gel. Why are you the consistency of freaking liquid? It makes zero sense whatsoever, and it's just got me feeling some type of way. So I hate the gel and I hate the styling pudding. I did get it for free for testing purposes, and this is the result of me using them. I don't like them, so I wouldn't recommend them. The wash products are okay because they do their job for the most part. Are they weird? In my opinion, yes, but they do their job. The other products thus far, no, just absolutely not. So I hope this helped. I'm pretty sure this has got to be somewhat better than my last review. I mean, it's already eons better than the last review. But I hope this genuinely helped you guys, and I hope you guys come back to watch more.